Good day, everyone. Our demo for this week will be a little all over the place, so to speak. I'm referring to no other than the Chaos Pendulum. So, we'll begin by swinging this pendulum here and observing its motion. So now, we'll repeat those exact same steps, but with a board full of magnets under it. Now, if you pay close attention, you can notice that the pendulum swings in various directions. This is due to the fact that there are many magnets located under the board, along with the force of gravity, which altogether pushes and pulls the pendulum all over the place. Now, this erratic and unpredictable movement is what researchers call chaotic motion. Now, a great example of chaotic motion can be seen when there is a sudden outbreak of diseases such as measles, which in the short term, scientists have a hard time of determining their pattern and where they came from. Thank you guys for watching our demo this week on the Chaos Pendulum. Now, if you found this demo informing and entertaining at the same time, then by all means, continue watching for all our future content that we will post.